how to sign in to PURSE Plus. Welcome to the future of SocialFi on X.com with PURSE plus SocialAI. To sign in to your PURSE Plus account, you'll need an invitation code. You can obtain this exclusive code from the PURSEX.com page or through our official website. After installing the PURSE Plus extension, you'll be prompted to authorize it through your X account. Simply click on the PURSE Plus icon located in the top right corner of your browser, or open the extension from your browser window. Next, click Sign In on the PURSE Plus sidebar, which will open the app authorization screen. Here, you'll grant permission for PURSE Plus to access your X account by clicking the Authorize App button. This step is crucial as it allows you to seamlessly integrate your X.com activities with PURSE plus SocialAI, transforming your tweets into powerful AI contributions. Once authorization is complete, enter your invitation code in the PURSE Plus sidebar and click Next to continue. Congratulations! You've successfully connected your X account with PURSE plus SocialAI. All your activities will be recorded on-chain, ensuring transparency and security. You are now ready to dive into the world of AI-enhanced tasks and start earning rewards. How to complete basic tasks on PURSE Plus. Once you're signed into PURSE Plus, you'll unlock a new dimension of engagement on X.com. The tasks available in your PURSE Plus sidebar are categorized into 3 main levels: Basic, Standard, and Expert, each designed to help you contribute to AI development while earning rewards. Let's begin with a basic task. Click the Start button under the Basic Tasks category. Here, you'll be presented with various posts from XCOM users and influencers. Simply like or dislike these posts based on your honest opinion. After making your selection, submit your choice and move on to the next post. You'll review 10 posts in total. Upon completing this set, you'll earn 20 Fugu points as a token of your contribution. You can choose to share your achievement with your network or dive into another set of tasks. All your activities will be recorded on-chain, ensuring transparency and security. Remember, each successful completion of 10 posts rewards you with an additional 20 Fugu points, bringing you closer to unlocking more rewards. Next, we'll explore the standard tasks. How to complete standard tasks on PURSE Plus. Standard tasks offer a deeper level of engagement. To begin, click on the Start button under the Standard Tasks category. In this task, you'll be asked to select the most appropriate tag for each post displayed. Carefully read the content and choose the tag that best fits. After tagging, click Submit and proceed to the next post. As with the basic tasks, you'll receive a set of 10 posts to tag. Successfully completing these 10 posts will earn you 30 Fugu points, reflecting your enhanced contribution to the AI-powered ecosystem. You can then share your achievement or continue to the next set of tasks. All your activities will be recorded on-chain, ensuring transparency and security. How to complete expert tasks on PURSE Plus. Ready to take your contribution to the next level? Expert tasks challenge you to engage with more complex tagging activities. Click on the Start button under the Expert Task category to get started. In these tasks, you won't just tag the entire post. You'll select specific words within the post and match them with the most relevant keywords from a provided list. This is where your precision and insight truly shine. For example, if a post mentions Bitcoin, you might select the keyword money as the most relevant tag. If the post mentions 7 days, you could choose time as the keyword. Continue selecting and tagging words in the post until you're satisfied. Once completed, click Submit and move on to the next post. Each set of 10 posts you complete in this category earns you 30 Fugu points. Share your progress or challenge yourself with more expert tasks, all while contributing valuable insights to the AI-driven platform. How to add posts to the PURSE Plus system. At PURSE Plus, we believe in the power of community. You can contribute even further by adding posts to the PURSE Plus system for others to review and tag. Each post you add earns you 1 Fugu point, with a daily limit of 500 posts. To add a post, simply open the post you want to contribute. Once you've opened the individual post, you'll see an Add This Tweet button beneath it. Click the plus icon to add the post to PURSE Plus data. All the added tweet content will be stored on IPFS, ensuring permanence and decentralization. Congratulations! You've successfully added the post and earned 1 Fugu point. Keep adding posts until you reach the daily limit. However, note that if another user has already added the post you're trying to submit, you won't earn any points. Only the first user to add a post to the system will receive the point. Your contributions help enrich the PURSE Plus ecosystem, driving collective growth and engagement. How to generate your own invitation code. Beyond daily tasks, PURSE Plus offers you the opportunity to expand your network and earn even more Fugu points. By inviting new users to join PURSE Plus with your unique invitation code, you'll earn 100 Fugu points for each successful referral. To generate your invitation code, simply navigate to the Invite Friends section at the bottom of the sidebar and click Invite. A unique code will be generated for you, ready to be shared with your friends and followers. Every new user who joins using your code brings you closer to greater rewards and recognition within the PURSE Plus community. With PURSE Plus SocialAI, every interaction on X.com becomes an opportunity to contribute to the future of AI while earning real-world rewards. Dive in, engage, and let your social media activity unlock a world of possibilities. Happy Fugu!